honestly, all this while, Namika say, like, bloggers no Jimmy, you know, multimedia phone in Nyansa near the what I say in Ghana web. But now minim say print media and so we kwasi afosa. Enti police ni na wo no. I enra the dead body. Kramai kura wa yemfa ne ntopepemu. Police need dead body na mudi here front page. And a Ghana police for Timmy Kana no to me munina. And the batch of graphic ne one money editors on. Newspapers money editors. Nasa and some trophone in the Jimmy editors nsu nim nyansa. Is that the nation we are in? National Media Commission ne one won't find one why. Yesterday was disgusting. So Obi in line of duty will na the dead body and I would they told newspaper. Hey, no my ben and answer for a woman ye bed tree. Just oh me and then I do and then mean call I bring Mrs. Sebraha. NTTU forward tradition there. Omudina Kwano. Now drive a beer do no discussion, the license more the amount, but you know another than the bayana. It is very good that we've all decided to fix the country. But it starts with fixing our mindset and attitude. Ghana, we are member of parliament. They don't care. They're white yet. A long serving member of parliament is Honorable H.A. Mensa. A year back, about constituency no one quiet to Obama. Yet to Obama MP say, Omekwe Upe our government agency. Now we new boss now forget it. Let's fix our attitude. Oka says si kwanwa for triangle see a chain and we and family boom. Fix your attitude. Fix it. We are Juma ECG. Call our customer care center. Yeah, for our womfa. When him say apia, fix your attitude. Fix it. Femi can we na makopedi ani biedi a men can be mkopim bi ochina. We all claim to be Christians. But Obi akotadi our 100% interest. Obi wo nyema gu ho ye toto petrol mu ne. O goods no order that toto petrol mu ne pe no atotum. Your body ho po without fear or favor. Your body ho obi ti kotadi 3 cities. Not the budget 12 cities, not really trust this aka say. E wi ase ya di o, no memo ya di o. We are not na say dem. Yeah, Shiva o. Fix your mindset. Oh my Ghana nebe ya eyeye nyina. Yesu kura bedi yeso. Na musuma ye kwame ne kwamo a. Ye bebre. Ye fix your fucking mindset. Fix it. Fix it. Fix your mindset. It's
the family you belong to. What's my home? Another president for being around for so would not him. You can't cry more penocre. You can't cry Ghana phone here. Ha! Me say Ghana phone to me say check the phone video. All because a check the phone didn't another time. A check the phone I know ya. Ha! Ghana phone more to kwan. Some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called no friend will say judiciary some law no nyɛ adwuma Ghana na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire emra enti wo didi ahon fanto fom emra enti wo nyu so gugo tem ɛdan ho kra wo timi nyo so wo timi nyo kwate round so Mama dia mo say hey atem dia na de physical we have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country, no be able what's a minute in a talk? And Ghana, no, say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you some. Yes, you be the senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, me met the form. Because you are near Canada. We want primary school, SL3, and ultimately, school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, they can run as your president. because school near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it near primary. Now one hour by yesterday, Ghana for community at Obama, Obia, that to Obama. It will honorable. It also Ghana for yet you honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you were schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you kwanya papa. On shema kwasya kwan. Eno kwa de na mani ho. Enso na na do kwan oguno eyesin J.J. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yaka and Echo from, and Yaka, your fro, and Nuna, a Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yaka and a fro, medical school. Akufo by ever two papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eba ne fro ye ena Ghana fo ye de body gugu metro mass ena ye say no enti Ghana ntime fese Ghana fo no so ye problem kofo be fese ye no zinata papa edi ade za tam no ana o kofo ba ye eno ma kofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kwa tese ka utwane ndisi kura ese ka utwane bibi foforo ne hu the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know Mokasa, we are not forcing your own. Okay, say you to know my face the country, or we are not forcing me. And come back to Ghana for say. Wobi abaji brabu bi abanin chew komu di nyansa bekasa komu ka cha Ghana for say mu amosisi sidan fon mosisi sikode na wokwan ho mu amode e say kiosk wasisi kwan no yembu punu nyina na abrochire nyasa na tie sa you to nim nyansa komu ka de tie wa abrochire aka cha president say ye pesa Ghana ye tie ma me mo te kwan no wo mo sore president simakat usimakat ya famo mu free. Yes, see, Kajatia market. To Mama Yadie. Nano said to Twayadie. Nanado Ayadie. Nanado Betwasum. I fake Kajaket, ye, Johnson Dioma. Who got Johnson again and it walk. Well, just as he can you would idea.